Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Compass rear wiper. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the rear wiper arm is easily accessible. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into its upright position. This provides the necessary clearance to work safely and efficiently on the blade replacement. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small retaining tab or clip. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry open this clip. Once the clip is released, you can easily slide the entire old wiper blade off the hook on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the window. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests properly. Before you finish, perform a quick test of your new wiper blade. Turn on your rear wiper to ensure it operates smoothly, provides full coverage, and makes complete contact with the window. This confirms a successful installation. Also, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.